Good morning, party people, and it is good and morning, and it's a party. It's a leg party today. Feature of the party person himself.
Mr. Calves, like always. Mr. Calves.
We're doing calves. As you know, I like to start and finish with calves. That's what we're doing right now. This is quad focused legs, starting off with calves. This calf machine is wonderful as well. So we're at City Gym here in Sydney, home away from home, getting it done. We'll put the link down below in the description. Get in it. So bad. It's so bad. I'm no difference. Here we go. She's spicy this morning. So, as the platforms here are taken right now, we're doing Smith machine squats. This is something I don't normally do, but Zac does. So I'm letting him run through this one. A little bit more quad dominant because you can kind of put your legs forward and really drive up with the quad. So pushing through your heels into the ground, utilising the quads. Okay, so for the final set of the Smith machine squats, we're going to do a drop set here. So just go through with, what's that even?
The bar? I don't know if it's anything.
Yeah, this is, I guess it's like 80 kilos right now. So we're just going to go through and do a set here, yeah, 80, and then drop off 40 and do another set straight away. No break.
You're just going to max it, or are you going to go?
It's 10 to 12 to start with, and then whatever I can get after.
Alright.
Try not to pass out. If I can not faint, that'd be great. Oh, I hate how hard it is. Oh, my soul hurts.
25 sit on.
Alright. How many get?
10?
Yep.
And
whatever you can get.
15 and 20, yeah. I'll shoot for that.
Good. Good, man. Yeah. Well done.
Hell.
So you can see this, but I've just been swimming, but only on my face. So that sucks. I haven't been talking to you much this workout. Been talking to Zach, but also I'm hurting. Can't talk too much this morning. So sweaty, so hot. We have to wrap up soon. We've got a meeting to get to. Alright, so I just said to Zach, how do you feel about doing some good girls? And he didn't know what I meant. So I'm going to talk you through. This is adductors. Adductor is this part of the quad. So in order to get nice, full, rounded drumsticks, you must work on this. We call them good girl, bad girl machines because one way, this way, is when you close your legs, using that muscle. Bad girls is when you use the outside to open the legs. We're going to be good girls today. Now the secret when doing this is to not maintain eye contact. If you maintain eye contact while spreading your legs, it's very off-putting. See what I mean?
It's bad, isn't it? Spot me. I crushed my nuts. You want to see me playing hard to get with you?
Yeah. We be good? We alright? We can talk? We gotta go this way. So this is part of the game today. Where's he gonna be next? So we're finishing off with calves here. We're in the Smith machine doing standing calf raises. So I'm going through and doing 10 doubles, then finishing off with a few singles to really burn out dem calves. Okay, we're done. See you guys soon. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to Zach's hotel, shower, change, probably do that separately.
Yeah, oh, it's the same time, but I warn you, it's disgusting in there. Like, I hope the room's up to your standards.
We'll see. And then we're heading off to a little brunch with Instagram today, so you can come along and see all behind the scenes of that. Let's go. We are in Surrey Hills now. We're about to go up and do this brunch for Instagram. It's like a wellness, health-focused creators brunch. Sounds like a mouthful. I'm actually on a panel here speaking about Instagram and how to use it to benefit your audience as well as yourself. So, pretty honored to be part of that. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully I don't screw up.
So with Instagram, our mission really is to bring people closer to the people and things they love. To make sure you convert casual followers into lifelong fans. Really need to be everywhere to capitalize on all the demographics. Really quickly, I'm sure you know who they are. We've got Tammy and Emily Hembro are there. Hi. We've got Jackie from Women's Health, the editor of Women's Health. We've got Kathy from Samsung and manager of wearables.
Yes, that's correct, marketing manager.
Manager of wearables. Ben's also been at Adidas and Nike.
Nike, yep.
Nike. I buy a lot of them, I should know what it's called. And then Nathan at the end.
I was like fashion blogging before I was really on Instagram, and then it was like an organic sort of movement into fitness. As I just shared like how I stayed in shape to getting clothes, and then I actually like fitness more than I like fashion, so I just ran with that. It's been very organic, and just like I'm sharing that journey along the way. Yeah, I still do fashion just because I like it, but fitness has become something that people reacted really well with, and so being able to engage back with them is kind of seeing good growth.
You stay inspired, and that can be anything from like how do you stay inspired for just like simply posting all the time. Like the churn of Instagram can sometimes feel a little bit real, but also how do you inspire others? Is there something that you do to help your community to feel like they can get up on that Monday morning and go to the gym or eat better or whatever it is?
You're looking directly at me.
Yeah.
I follow a lot of like fellow influencers that do create content. It kind of keeps me inspired, seeing what other people are doing and kind of taking like a cue from that, whether it's like a training modality or whether it's using something in stories or just getting inspired by that. The audience as well, like finding out that like the whole question thing in stories is so good because asking what they want to see helps me create content they want to see, I guess. I'm never really running out of inspiration though. It's pretty fun. I try and like not take it too seriously, I enjoy it. So it's not really an effort to create content.
And then can you tell us a little bit about so you've got your good morning catchphrase. I won't do it because I will butcher it.
No,
where did that come from? And I've seen like your community now do that and tag you in that. How did that happen?
Like a year ago, I was having a really bad morning. I was just like flat, and so I thought I'd jump on stories and started like super energetic, just like I said, good morning party people, acting like an idiot. And I was just like hundreds of DMs being like, I was so energized, this was the best start of my day. So I started doing like once a week, and then twice a week, and now I'm stuck with it. But it's cool because people tag me each day if they're starting the day with it.
Can you do it, please?
Yeah. Good morning party people. But now I'm stuck with that, and it's cool because people tag me like every day of them starting their day, and like someone from China that doesn't speak English will tag me in that with their accent, and it's the best because like they're starting their day with energy, so that like inspires me. Milestone straight my business, we started slow and be better. It's not saying like you've got to be the best version of yourself, just trying every day to improve a little bit. You don't have to be bodybuilder, you don't have to be with the six pack at all times. As long as you're making a conscious effort to be a better version of yourself, that's all you need. I didn't screw up, I don't think. Did I screw up?
No.
That was okay, cool.
It was great.
It was fun. It was nice to kind of talk amongst your peers, meet some new people. Now we're just gonna go on cruise. What are the plans now?
Go get some lunch.
Lunchtime, we'll go get some lunch. See you guys there. Yet again, we've eaten without filming. I could never be a food blogger because I can't stop eating before the camera's out. We had some ramen. I had this fancy, I guess it's Japanese. It doesn't say. White grape, it's delicious. I had some pork udon, had some dumplings, and I'm still hungry. There's a really great Japanese cheesecake place near here. I'm thinking treat yourself. So we might do that. What did you have?
I had a steak and egg thing. I don't know.
A steak and egg thing.
It's all gone now.
Yeah. It sounds more Western than it actually was.
Yeah.
Steak and eggs, mate. But yeah, so now we're just hanging out. We're chilling. We've got a meeting this afternoon, so we've got some time to kill. So we're just gonna eat some more food, maybe have a look around. And then Lane's coming to meet us. Cheers. I got cheesecake. I'm a man of my word. It's a full cheesecake. So if you haven't had it before, Uncle Tetsu's is delicious, and I don't know if it's around the world. I assume it is. Either that, they just conned me into thinking it's the best thing in the world, but it's actually just in Sydney. But it's pretty damn good. And I got a fresh one.
Wow.
Yep, adorable, right?
Well, it's in disguise.
Which camera am I looking at?
There's like 6 of you.
Great.
8 of you. Alright, ready when you are.
So the whole point of this is I can just do it, I'm going to step here and you won't know where I am.
Yeah.
That's be heaps of me moving in and out. Okay, so we're just about to meet with the team from Epic Sports. They sponsor me and Milestone. Speaking of, where'd Lane go?
Right here, I thought I was in the shop.
Yeah, you are. We want you in the shot.
What up?
I'm going to catch up with these guys, plan out some content creation for the next few months. Just had a coffee, feeling pretty good. That's about it. I don't think you're not going to come in this meeting. Just sort of fill you in. So you can see the funny mirror wall.
Sweet headed, bro.
Very sweet. That's it. We're done. We're done for the day. The sun is gone, and so are we. Meeting was very, very good. The team at Epic are wonderful. We got some really cool things happening. So make sure you are following along on Instagram at Nathan and at Milestone Strength. You don't want to be following Milestone because we've got some very cool stuff happening. That's it. We're gonna go drive now. It's peak hour, as you can see from the traffic. So it'll be a slow drive. Not too interesting. We'll see you guys next time.